Hey everybody, I'm doing an unveiling of a package that I received yesterday. So, can you see me cutting it? I see me cutting it. Cool. So, it's the One Step hand dryer and styler from TikTok. Yay. Anywho's, let's see what color this one is. It's the pink one. Yay! Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and show that. My hair is just recently washed, and now I'll put it to the test. I have who knows what kind of hair. People say 4C, I say African American and Cuban. So I don't know what you want to call that. It's thick. Anywho's, I'm gonna plug this in and get the styling. Alright, so I just plugged it in. This is settings. High, low, and cool. Alright, let's see. I didn't, blow dry it because according to TikTok, I don't have to do that. So I'm just going at it. And we'll see how this goes. So far it looks like it's actually working phenomenal. So, sorry. I can actually comb through the dry part. I am in pain, but I gotta push through it, so I'm good. Alright, now to the fast forward part. Okay, so this is the extent of what I'm doing right now because that's pretty much all I can do right now. And on top of that, since I'm sweating, because I'm in the bathroom and it's small and enclosed, it's just gonna wet my hair again. So this is good. Now I'll throw some gel, tie it up. Ooh, who's that? Oh,